It's a short video about the carbon deposits in the idle control valve and the throttle body. If you notice decrease in your vehicle performance, and it could be due to the carbon deposits build up in your throttle body. Carbon deposit restricts airflow basically, so it will reduce the engine performance. So I will tell you that what is actually causing this problem more frequently, and that your throttle body has carbon deposits inside in your idle control valve and throttle body. So it's due to the small filter in the filter box, and this pipe actually the blow by pipe, and the gases pass through the filter basically. So if the filter is chocked and blocked, it will cause the carbon deposit inside the throttle body more frequently. So let me open this box, and inside underneath the air filter there is a small filter. This is actually the filter, so it must be clean and soft basically. If you notice that this filter is clogged or hard, so soak it in the petrol and diesel and tap it slowly, so it become soft, and remove the carbon deposits from it. It must be clean, and air must pass through it. After cleaning, reinstall it, and I am sure that it will 90% solve the carbon deposits problem inside the throttle body. So it's very important we do not pay attention to this filter, and we need to check it after 7,000 kilometers at least, so it will solve more frequent carbon deposit inside your throttle body. Thank you.